The AI agent that ran a whole ransomware attack by itself is back. Same operator, same server. But this time it brought a custom weapon, and that weapon goes hunting for one thing: the files your AI actually lives in. Your model weights, your fine-tuned adapters, the stuff you can't just re-download. This is ENCFORGE. Before the panic, the honest version. Security firm Sysdig watched exactly one session. They didn't name a victim, they didn't give a body count, and here's the twist. This ransomware can't even steal your data. It has no networking code at all. Its only leverage is locking the files where they sit. So this isn't a breach wave. It's a blueprint. And the blueprint is what should worry you. Quick recap for the newcomers. Last time, this agent broke in and encrypted a database with improvised scripts. Same door this time. Langflow, before version 1.3.0, exposes a code endpoint with no password. Run whatever you want. It's a bug from 2025. It's been on CISA's must-patch list since May, and people still leave it open. But the improvised scripts are gone. Now it carries a proper, compiled weapon. Here's the tell. ENCFORGE's default target list reads like the contents of an ML team's laptop. PyTorch and TensorFlow checkpoints. Hugging Face SafeTensors. OneNX. GGUF, the format your local LLMs ship in. FAISS vector indexes. Parquet training data. Around 180 extensions. And the built-in help text? It literally uses LoRA adapters as an example. A generic file locker has no reason to name-drop LoRA. Sysdig read that as deliberate. This was written for you. And it's not a toy. It's a compiled Go binary packed with UPX, and at analysis time 0 antivirus engines flagged it. 0. It encrypts with AES-256, wraps the key in RSA so you can't recover it, and here's the pro move: it only scrambles chunks of each file instead of the whole thing. That's the same speed trick Lockbit and Black Hat use. Lock more, faster. It renames everything to .locked, kills anything holding a file open, and deletes itself on the way out. Now the genuinely unsettling part. Its first try to download the weapon failed. A human might have given up. The agent adapted. Over 5 minutes and 24 seconds, it wrote and rewrote 6 Python scripts, live, through the same hole. It built the first one a line at a time so no single request looked malicious. Then it base 64 encoded the rest and ran them inside exec to dodge anything watching for obvious commands. The final version found the Docker socket, span up a privileged container with the host's file system mounted, and used nsenter to step out onto the actual host as root. It engineered its own escape when the easy path was blocked. So what does this actually mean for you? Model shops keep lots of variants on shared storage, so one run can lock every version at once. And if your training data sits on the same box, you're rebuilding that before you can even retrain. The attribution. The ransom note uses the exact same Proton address as the first campaign. Sysdig's strongest link that this is the same operator, leveling up. The skill floor didn't just drop. The agent is now writing better tools than the humans it replaced. The fix is boring and it works. Patch Langflow to 1.9.1. And yes, there are 2 newer must-patch bugs after this one. Get the Docker socket out of any container that doesn't need it. And keep your model weights in offline or immutable snapshots, because that's the one thing a locker can't reach. This channel breaks down one real AI agent attack every single day in plain language. If that's useful, subscribe and turn on notifications. It's free, and it's the one button that keeps these coming. Then go watch the first JADEPUFFER heist next. See you tomorrow. If this was useful, subscribe. New AI agent and security breakdowns every day.